Hey guys, welcome to Heart and Hand Creations and Events. My name is Alicia, and I would like to say hello and how are you guys doing today, or this morning, or this afternoon, whatever time of day it is for you. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how I made these necklace jewelry stands, and I'm going to go step by step from stenciling to the colors that I'm going to use. This is done with a greenish tint. It has a greenish tint. This is it right here. It's not quite like clear, white clear. These are the colors. Aren't these nice? Yeah. 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Or something, but this is $1.39, and every time I went back to that dollar store, I would just get a couple more and a couple more until I have a stack right now. I'm going to show you how I made my stencils. 2 of them I did free-handed, and the last 2 I did were stencils. And I'm going to use red. I have a red felt. So what I have here is styrofoam paper. This is what it looks like, or foam paper, not styrofoam, but foam paper. You get 10 pieces per pack, and it's a nice thickness. It's not too bad. And the board that I will be using is this thin, heavy-duty. This board is really good. It's almost like wood, a piece of thin wood. It's made so tight to be cardboard. And so guys, I'm getting it all set up and everything organized. I'll be back to show you what I do. Alright guys, here I am ready to make a pattern. So what I'm doing here is making how I want the shoulders to be. I folded my foam paper in half the long way. This is actually 12 by 8. Now I'm drawing where I want the neck to be. Okay, and I'm making a long one because sometimes the necklaces have some length to them. Okay, not bad. I can work with that. Alright, I have my pattern laid out on the board, and I'm just going to trace around it. Let's try this one. Let's see, did it go through on the other side? A little bit. And here's our cutout. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can get this across the shoulders. And press. I'll do the same on the other side. And this is what it looks like in the front so far. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is cover the back with another piece of this material. Okay guys, I wound up cutting out a piece of material that I'm going to glue in place. I just let it fall in place just like that. Press on it. And go underneath. Do the same thing. There we have it. The back. And all I have to do is make a stand. I think that this stand right here will do it for it. Black, red, and gold. Looks good together. You put a little something on here. It'll be really nice. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I did think about this base, which it could be, I might make it where it's interchangeable. But for the time being, I'm going to show how I make the base like this, the triangle. I call it the triangle stand. Okay, let me get all those tools together and I'll be right back. I already have the mirror cut up into strips as to how I need them. Make it easier for this process. And then I start off by putting the mirrors on the bottom. There's a little bit of overhang there. Ooh, had to piecework it together, y'all. Piecework. But this is what I've come up with so far. Need a black marker so I can hide some of these white lines. This will go on like so. Okay guys, here I am trying to embellish some of the imperfections on here with this gem wrap that I showed you in my haul from AC Moore. And I decided to put it around the top here. Instead of doing any painting, I decided to just put this here at the foot. Since I have some at the top, I want to bring some balance to this, so I'll put some of this wrap down the bottom also. Now I am going to glue the subject in place. Let's see what happens. I want to make sure it's enough. We don't need any incidences. Alright, there it is, guys. Alright, there is the finished product, and the necklace doesn't touch the ground or touch the surface like this one did. I had it on here, and it would drag the table, like the bottom is just touching the table. But on here, still a little room at the bottom for it. Alright guys, so what do you think? Leave a comment below. Tell me how you like how this one turned out compared to the others. I have the stand. Ooh, let me see. I could even sit this on the stand. Here we go. That's what it looks like in the back. So there's options, and looks lovely. Alright guys, so if you like the content, again, like I said, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And don't forget to share, and again, comment below. Let me know what you think, guys. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.